Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to tuning into my 2979th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thanks for tuning in as always, kids. This video is coming at you on a Sunday afternoon for trading Sunday night through Monday. That's October 6th. 2025. 2 days before I get on a plane and head to Australia. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. Anyway, trading is risky. Don't forget, put your stops in. Never trade without stops. Put your protective stops in first. Mitigate the risk in this business like a professional. Put your stops in first. What's going on for trading on Sunday through Monday? Well, the Omni has waved us off from trading U.S. indices. It's still bullish, but it doesn't want us in. It said no trade. No trade it is. So we've got no trade for U.S. indices, but there are other trades out there. I will say the chart looks quite constructive. It held this average really well, held the trend line really well, is taking off. Omni wants us to take a break. No big deal. I'll do that. We've got other markets to trade. Traders, remember the Omni trading token at pump.fun, which now can be found at DexScreener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and MEXC, so it's graduated, right? It's doing great now. We'd love for you to participate in this coin. There is no rug pull. It is my coin. It's our coin. It's our OMNIAC community coin. Omni Trading. It's the name of the token, Omni Trading. I promise you, nothing but solid hands in there. We all like each other. We're all protecting each other. And we're going to continue to turn this into a utility coin. We're going to use this to help one another, us OMNIACs around the world. And we are going on an advertising campaign starting next week. This week coming, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So good chance that you can buy your Omni token now before awareness gets raised and people even greater than the zone we're in now find out about it. Omni trading token, get it at pump.fun or DexScreener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, MEXC. It's doing really well, OMNIACs. And I promise you, I am holding my coins. I ain't selling nothing. All right, what else do we have out there? Russell 2000, you've seen. Let's go look at what else Omni likes. Instead of telling us to stay away, it loves Bitcoin here. Omni says buy the dips in Bitcoin. Hit the 126 target. Should happen this week. If it doesn't happen today, tomorrow. Bitcoin, Omni likes it for the upside ride. 126 is our next target, as you well know. It's been on my whiteboard for months now, 126. What else do we like out there? Oh, yeah, let's look at this guy. Traders, thank you so much for working with the Omni trading token. Look at it. It's gone up dramatically in value. The chart looks great. Us OMNIACs are just buying and holding on and moving it higher as we would have all expected us to do. Haven't even started advertising yet. Really, people around the world don't even know yet, and it's doing great. You know why? It is thank you to you. Now, here's what I want. I want you to be able to buy a brand new Jaguar because I want to buy a brand new Jaguar. How do we make that happen? We buy this Omni trading token, and when the sellers come in and you see a red bar, us OMNIACs get together and buy it and push it right back in their face. That's how we will all end up with brand new cars. You want one? So do I. Let's make sure we do the right thing with the Omni trading token. That can easily happen for us, along with the Omni trades that I put out for you guys every day. What else is out there for us to look at? There's another chart. Let's see. We were going to go here. Yes, to gold. Gold and silver. The Omni likes gold. The Omni likes silver. The Omni likes Bitcoin. The Omni likes the Omni trading coin. The Omni wants us to stay away from U.S. indices. All of this for trading on Sunday, Monday. Gold. Huge pennant that we broke out of. Massive, massive pennant. Even though the lines have moved. Let me just put them back where they belong. This guy was like this. This guy was like that. We broke out of the massive pennant, and away we are going. We've got a green Omni, a great spot for a green Omni, and we like silver as well. Traders, leave your comments on this video. I answer them all personally. Like and share them around the internet. We'd love your help. Make sure you grab your Omni trading token before we start advertising, and hang out with me at livewithoscar.com. I also stream live now at fun.pump or excuse me, at pump.fun. I just did a live stream right before this video, so go to pump.fun and check out my live streams there, as well as the other stuff that we will do together. Traders, remember, put your stops in first. Keep your emotions out of trading. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your loyalty. I will always give you mine, and have some fun with the Omni Trading Token.